Now is COVID pandemic. Why don't you have some rest and stay at home to learn something? I have long time not enough sleep. Roger, Superman. I need your help here. I think I have to go to hospital to have some rest.
Alright, Batman. I am on the way. But I notice hospital has no more beds. You better go to nearby clinic. Oops. Please call ambulance for me. Thanks. What a coincidence, we share the same ambulance.
Yeah, it is a surprise I see you here. But do you notice this ambulance is full of patients? I wonder why there were so many accidents and injuries tonight.
You are right. Hello, doctor. Where are all these accidents happened?
No, they are not. They are COVID suspects.
Then where are we heading?
Soon I blew a quarantine quarter.
Are you joking?